Okay, hello and welcome to my next video. Last time of the caro-kann series. Last time I covered the move f6. This time I cover the move h5. Here I recommend the move knight b3 like in the other variation. And after knight h6, a4, bishop here, and now a5. You allow this knight f5 to happen. And here bishop f4 I'd recommend h4, h3, and queen to c7, knight bd2, and now c5 was in the game Deep Fritz 14 versus Hayek's 13.2, which white won. Fritz won that, and against Komodo 12, which continued with castling, Deep Fritz 14 also won. So let's cover the Hayek's game first. c5. Here I recommend the move c4. And after d takes c4, play the move bishop takes c4, and after bishop h5, because what else to play here? If knight takes d4, there is knight takes d4, pawn takes d4, and rook to c1. Now you have to move the queen, probably to d8. And now knight takes pawn, and as you count here, you have 4, 5, 6 versus 6 pawns, so the material is still equal. Here castles, and now rook f to d1. But let's just compare those positions. White is just much better developed here and has a better position, if you be honest. Here knight c5 for example, b4, knight to d3 attacking the rook, bishop takes, queen takes, bishop takes, queen takes, and pawn takes, and here I'd recommend this invasion, winning a pawn, and this pawn mess what black has, it's just lost here for black, so that's why c takes, so that's why bishop h5 should be played. If you ask about pawn takes here, then rook ac1, queen d8, because you don't want to go into some discoveries, knight takes, and knight here. And here I also recommend this. Castles, b4, knight here. Why not? Oh, because the knight is not defended. So knight a6, and now knight takes f5, bishop takes, and queen here, bishop b1, and knight here, and white's position is just much better here. So much better. So that's why those moves are not played. That's why the move bishop h5 is played, but this also is not so great. Rook to g8 preparing g4, but now d5 is just an excellent move. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Here g5, and now just take here. Takes, knight takes, bishop takes, queen takes, and there is this threat of queen h4 check, which would win the bishop if the bishop takes the knight. So that's why castling kingside. And now notice that you cannot take there because of queen to c6 threatening checkmate. So that's why you should play the move queen bishop queen knight e4, and the game continued here with queen bishop rook g6, and after king h1 here it's just clear that white is just a pawn up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 versus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pawns, and there is no real danger on the king side, and white is winning yet another pawn, and now is up 2 pawns, and here I adjusted this as a win for white. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next caro-kann video. Ciao.